Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. One of the standout features of Windows 11 is the ability to change the accent color, allowing you to personalize your desktop and make it truly your own. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of changing the accent color on Windows 11. Whether you are looking for a bold and energetic look or a calming and minimalist vibe, Windows 11 has got you covered. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To change the accent color on the Windows 11, use these steps. Right-click on the Start button, then click on Settings. Click on Personalization, click the Colors tab. Choose the manual option in the accent color setting to choose a specific accent color. Select an accent color to use across the system. Click the View Colors button in the Custom Colors setting. Click the Done button. You have the option to turn on the Show Accent Color on title bars and Windows borders, or the Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar toggle switch. Thank you for watching our tutorial on changing the accent color on Windows 11. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.